Hey guys, Brandcoin Mining here for the first ever episode of Brandcoin YouTube ever. And today I'm really excited to be bringing you guys a RX 580 8GB times 8 card rig. And I just had to rebuild it here in its new temporary location. And I'd like to show you guys what I did and what it's all about and how many mega hash and what it's doing right now. I just gave a little bit away talking about mega hash already. Now we're talking about Ethereum. So that's what I'm actually mining with it at the moment. Regular Ethereum, not Ethereum Classic. I just have more confidence in Ethereum than Ethereum Classic. I know Ethereum Classic will give me a faster payout on my investment, and maybe I'm gonna have a couple rigs on Ethereum Classic in the future, but this one is on Ethereum now, and I'd like to show you guys what it's all about. So here is my 8 card RX 580 Power Color Red Dragons going. I'm using right now, I'm going a little overkill. I got, I think that's a 600 watt EVGA power supply over there. Then I'm powering it using a 750 watt server power supply. And there looks like another power supply. What is it? Another 600 watt Cougar power supply, which is sort of an off brand, but you know what? They've actually been very reliable. I've had that power supply for a good 2-3 years now. And this is pretty quiet. All you could really hear is a couple fans that seem to need some oil here. And here we go. This is what we're doing right now. We are doing 220 mega hash on Ethereum. And basically I'm gonna tweak some of the cards. I think some of these cards are not fully optimized. We'll see what I could do. I bought all these cards used, and I never really had time to play around with them. I've been so busy working on other rigs, but eventually we'll get around to trying to optimize them. But I'm happy with the 220 mega hash, and let's see how many watts it's taking. It says it's taking about 835 watts here, 836 watts for just the graphic cards. So I assume it's taking over 1,000 watts here, but that's pretty good. I'm happy. We'll talk about the profitability of this machine another day, because this is sort of just an introduction and everything. And I've got it running here. Let's see, for quite a long time. It's done 15,148 shares and 359 rejected shares, and it's been running steady for 7 days and 22 hours at this moment since my last restart. This thing runs solid like a rock. Really don't have many problems with it. And it's running on an ASRock or ASRock 13 GPU motherboard. You can see down here all the GPUs plugged in. I like to use every second slot, but since I have 8 GPUs running, the last couple slots, like over here, the riser cards are basically touching, so I had to use some electrical tape to make sure they don't fry themselves. It's I'm very excited with it. I love this rig. I love mining in general. I love these cards. They have nice metal back plates on them. Gorgeous. I put those stickies on them on top here, which I have to remove, sort of showing me which cards I have to work on in the future here. And I mean, I know I could do some better cable management, and obviously this power supply I have to mount somewhere. Only basically the issue is some of these cords are too small. Some of them are like really, I don't know if I put it down here, basically some of them might be too short. Maybe I'll just get some extenders like I've been using over here. That's another idea. Guys, let me know what you think down in the comment section. And basically at this point, as I'm making this video, my first video, I have 0 subscribers. But my goal here with this channel is to really build up a nice subscriber base and give back to you guys. And I want to do that even before, you know, this channel is really profitable for me, because I like helping people out. And, you know, everything I do for you guys and in general in life, I like helping people out, comes back to you in some way or another. You know, I personally, like when I give something to somebody, I like to help them out. And just show you guys over here, for example, I'm going to be giving away this graphics card along with quite a few others, but here, this is really nice. MSI GTX 770, 2GB model, and just a nice gaming graphics card. It has 2 8-pin PCIe connectors, and it needs a 600 watt power supply. That's what's recommended, but it's a great card and I like to give it to somebody. So here's another card I just got. This is brand new actually. This is you think it's like a 1070 or a 1080 or who knows what it is, but in fact this guy is an Asus Strix RX 580, 8GB, but this thing is a beast and it's all RGB. I love it so much. I might even use this in my personal rig because it's just such a gorgeous card. Even though I have like such other sophisticated cards, I love like the RGB over here, the whole like light here, eye becomes RGB, and it's just, it is probably my nicest aesthetic card, even though I have quite a few cards which you guys will see, and I don't want to give it away all in the first video, but we're gonna have lots and lots of fun. What's going on here? We got some cables. It's a little bit dirty here. We're still organizing everything. Here's some new risers I just got, U-Bit, off of Amazon, and these, hold on, I'll open this risers up for you. Just gonna have to open it off camera because I need to use my hands. Okay, and here they are. These are supposed to be the best new risers, and I've had such different stupid riser problems. I sort of wanted to go with something really, really good, and these are supposed to have LEDs showing me that they're on, and we'll see how that goes. So guys, also, whoever starts subscribing to my channel and is in my first 10 subscribers, and even then my first 25 and 50 and 100, hopefully, obviously I don't want to get ahead of myself, but you guys, you're going to be getting the best stuff, and you will be my hopefully loyal subscriber base forever, and you'll enjoy watching my content, and we're going to have a lot of fun together. And especially if you're in the OG crew. Here is another 750 watt server power supply I have going here, and I got these from nerdgears.com. Pretty good website. They have not paid me $1 for this video. I just letting you guys know where I get my stuff. This one I actually just bought on Kijiji today, and I have to test it before I give it to you guys. And it's really mad dirty in here. I don't know if you could see that, but it is mad dusty. Let's see a better angle here. Dirty card. Anyway, this guy probably had this card in his computer and never cleaned it ever. So I'm gonna clean it up, and that will be a video in itself. We'll have fun cleaning it. You can't see, I guess, in this light, but it's really dirty. Anyway, guys, I don't know how to almost end this. It's my first video, and I sort of want to hang out with you guys, but we'll continue, and I hope to be posting videos every single day with you guys. So it's weird to talk to you guys, even though there's no one there, but hopefully we'll have some people soon watching and having fun with me. And yeah, I hope everyone has an amazing, amazing day, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.